Mama.
Balo kung meragol kang manakitan tiyan at mamyalungan ng tiyan keng bale.
Yes, this is called an airbrush. And another medium of chalk soto, yapining airbrush painting. You can imagine, kapatad, this takes the place of a paintbrush. So without touching your canvas or your medium, mag-paint ka using this airbrush. And
Masakit
Chok
siya
Soto
kapatan.
is an expert on that. Makanan mo na yung abalo.
Kung ano kamelin niya?
Kaning airbrush
What caught your
painting.
attention keng airbrush?
Wait, kapilan ba? Abroad mo rin po. Kasi ganita, during ala kong obra, kukuha akong sideline using that.
Yeah, but who taught you how to use this?
Nobody.
Talagang artist siya, kapatad. Makanyan talaga eh. Pachiachu na talaga kayong daya mo.
Question, potang bayuya at ala ka pa naman talagang background na lang menoro, dadalang ka ba kitang stage na kimo ka pa mo rin, na bala pa nag-aralan may pa mo rin on your
Awa, i-feel mo pa itang kaya mo, itang tool mo.
But then again, because you are an artist, kapatad,
It wouldn't take 48 years.
Correct,
Mga siguro
exactly.
misa na dwa mong
Yes,
beses sa
exactly.
drive.
Abalo.
Ako mo na itang feel na.
Naning challenge kanini?
Challenge, siguro, kay, more on makanano mental nan. Kasi atin yung, bala mo kayong camera, focus, atin yung lulawot ka, lalapit ka. Kareto pong fine details, kailangan ilapit me, ing hangin na, kailangan
Kakainan.
makaya-adjust siya talaga kitang.
Atin yung adjustment ini, kapatad. Balo kayo ni because my father used to do this. I used to make use of the airbrush. O ini pa sabi ko, instead of a pencil, para kang charcoal, instead of the paintbrush, para kang oil painting, you use the air to create a piece of art.
Mahilig ka keng masakit.
Manya
Ito siya.
masakit.
And then, another form of art in caricature. Of course, we know the great John
John Henson.
the cartoonist, nung makafocus siya keng caricature, kapatad, architecture yan naman ita. Makanaan na kamameli niya keng caricature.
Mahilig ko kasing mag-observe eh. Kareng kay. Then, bala mo nino kasi pag-try ka na ako, giumini makanyan. So, same thing na mag-aslan nung agyuke.
Pero in caricature gagawan mo, it's not just on paper. You also do caricature using sculpture.
Three-dimensional.
Three-dimensional lang.
Caricature,
Ninong,
in sculpture.
ninong minunamon tining gewa?
A caricature.
Would you recall?
Dakal eh. Michael Jordan, Saddam Hussein.
3D 3D.
Ay, ali, flat pa.
Flat
Flat
pa
pa.
mo, okay? And then
Hindi,
current
ito.
3D,
Likuan yun.
Lee Kuan Yew. And
Lee
that's
Kuan Yew.
commissioned work nita.
Commissioned
Tambing.
from whom?
Local. From a
Local
Singapore.
from Singapore. And because, kapatad, you know how much how they admire and how they respect the Lee Kuan Yew. Kaya pepagawa rita.
Balo mo kapatad, may papakili ko kasi, imagine for a local Singaporean to ask a Kapampangan, a Filipino, to do a caricature of the revered Lee Kuan
Lee Kuan
Yew.
Yew.
Nani pakiramdam? At kailangan pang alaw ring magaling Singapore.
Manya po. Kasi, once and for all, alam bisang gawang caricature of Lee Kuan Yew, which is tatakot la kaya.
May tatakutan la.
Correct.
Po tapi pa sobra.
highly respected siya.
Correct.
So, in challenge ka niyan, kailangan may gawan yan nan binabi o maglupang
Caricature pa mo rin,
Wa.
pero just the right.
respected. Yeah.
Wow, ali kasi ating caricature, kapatad, di ba, na talagang
It exaggerates.
It exaggerates what is bad about the
Or what is
profile,
prominent.
or what is ugly, keng profile na. And you cannot do that to Lee Kuan Yew.
Correct.
You cannot offend the Singaporeans.
Eh, di nga begalgal po tama machangi prison ka po.
Alina mo, that's the challenge eh. Kasi buring gawan kini yan. Uni mo muna po, mademanda ako pa.
Ma-offend ka.
Ma-offend la.
Ma-offend la.
Dakal sinubok through drawings na tatakot pa. And man kaya. Ngayon pepal to kaya ning gawa ko. Nanepeg katiwala kayong Thailander, kayong Indonesian, which
Ikaw
is
na lang.
hanggang yan kliyente ke. Kasi itang ikwakya ka no, itang timpla at accepted, da rin tao ka rin.
Kasi, matura mo naman itang Emiari na yaos caricature kapatad, nung realistic yan
Correct.
masyado. Right? Pero nung i-caricature mo naman, mo rin pwedeng itang maka-offend ya.
Oh, ito sobra.
Question, Tito Chok. Obviously, dakal na orders, dakal na mikibalo kay lagyo mo, mo yung gawan nga ni na ika mo. Kumusta ing itang artistry da ring tao mo, ka ba may kasakit mento na maging kasawop mo, manpower na makasunod lang yung standards mo?
Malambat ko no kasi kaya bereng kaya ko. Yang kiddie carts para tang push carts. King SM gawa milaran dito. So, data pa kaya be ako na lang. So, ikit ko na nung potentials da.
So may kakabalo na kayo.
Ito pa yung medium ng metong kapatad. Furniture making mo rin. Gagawa ka mo rin. You design furniture.
Yes, I design furniture.
Which you got from your father. Ano pa sabi kaya kapatad? Gawa kang sketch na hanggang mediums ng Chok Soto.
All of the above. All of the above na mo.
Kagisa
Okay,
ng
so
taya sabi, the name of your outfit is called
Dig the mind.
Dig the Mind. Why Dig the Mind?
Good question niya po. Kasi sabi ko total buri ko naman in challenges. Buri kayong kukulkulan ng isip ko.
makulta-utak.
Itang talagang kay
Kambulan niya talagang todo-todo.
Correct. Ito yung maging kaya ko, idea ko. Teke mo, palagyuketang talagang panandaman ko, patsemi yung isip ko.
Because
So, dig
you
the mind.
always dig your mind whenever
Correct.
you
Okay,
are
so
challenged.
ako tang ko na nung mo magkasakit ka ring manpower. Ngayon naman itang hanging question tamo. Kareng anak, ating kabang ikit na talagang baka mas datay ng aldo, hay kitang dapay.
Ay, Rugo, anak la pa. I mean, halos ilangan.
Really? The 5 of them, you said?
Mostly mag-gugulis.
Mag-drawing na
Akay
ba?
mo na mag-manifest na karela.
And do you see any one of these 5 who will follow in your footsteps?
Kareng mag-excel itang pangane, tapos retang tukitong ngatlo.
And they're all unfortunately not with you now. They're studying in
Achula, US, and pong UK.
UK.
lang.
Okay. Pero, pwede ngakit mo kapatad. Talagang genes. Why? They're not growing up with their father. May expose kang art ng father da, pero ikit mo. Ne? They still...
Nakagaling mo. Ako may score eh.
Nanin pakiramdam?
At yung kang genes talaga.
Wow.
Alaking exposure.
Matula ako. And during kitang... Kasi patang ating kurin time kanita ng chula pa. Kaya be ko le.
So medyo dininan mo na itang seed. Pinlant mo na karela.
Makatula. Tsaka potang mag-draw lang lines, fine lang eh. Naku, galing. Ako experience
Keng panakit ko, Sir Chok, nung makananong naka-discourage tatang mo, itatang, mula rin i-discourage nung datang yun sa bendang, gusto ko na mag-stop, ayoko ng 4-year course, gusto ko ganito na.
Mag-artist na lang ako. Kamukha mo.
Siyempre, as respect, karela, itong nanong burida, supportan ko lang.
Because ika mismo, aranasan mo itang makanita mo.
Hanapin mo ako, no, laret ang papers mo, tala na lang. Mag-drawing ko. Sapak no, reta. Opo, ako.
Okay. Because ini kapatad, sabi ko he is being recognized abroad, ne? Kaya ni ba kayong Pilipinas? Kaya ni kakatamo? Because I see the art. I see the beauty of your art. Have you joined competitions?
Ay, dakal na po.
National competitions?
Itang last kumpeke ba, itang Resorts World.
Kaya Resorts World.
You were required to come up with a
To paint the whole
jeepney.
Jeepney.
After
I saw that kapatad. I saw that na niya makadisplay lang yung Resorts World. And I believe you were the grand winner.
Okay.
Wow.
Fortunately.
Okay. How about Karang Arts Association of the Philippines?
Di na mo labang time?
Dinan mo labang time? Not yet.
Itapin eh. Kulang ko tayo.
Dapat dinan mo yung time.
Kulang ko rin to.
Of course, keng karakal mo obra, ne, kapatad, aliwa mo rin tang, di naman ditak oras itang makanita because adding prestige to your name, to dig the mind, maragula advantage para kay kayong artist.
Maka-prostrate pin po.
Wow.
Kulang
Pero
oras.
kapanintunan pa mo.
So, itang question ta kapatad, tutuba na ring artist, alam ni kakwalta talaga.
Eto.
In my case, sali eh. At yung
Dakal opportunities.
Dakal, tutuman, dakal po. At yung na karela nung makanano dental nan itang pipagalanda.
Okay.
Mga tayo.
True, kapatad. Kasi, apansinan ko karing artists, one day millionaires na rin eh.
Aha.
Patseme nakitan lang yan eh, shung! Ala na, the next day. But, that is a very good advice. Ne? At yuking, uling mga raguling bayad ka rin artists eh. Unfortunately, kay Eda Balong Talnan.
There are also instances naman na minsan, atin lang kapag obra na edo babayaranan keng hustong presyo na talagang
Dapat
mabayaran.
Okay. Palagay ko, malyari ka, Mr. Chok Soto.
Advice ka rin kay katamong young students na manigaral kini, even their parents, na manalbe kay katamo na kalupad na rin parents na akakidala rin anak na at ilang pangamat. What would you tell these young students?
Ako, advice ko ka rin parents ang pong student ang mag-start pa. Nung la masaya, paborende, push dia ka rin. Pipigilan kasi nung ka mag-enjoy, itang passion mo, nung may abubugnos, dapat kita ka. Kita ka maging masaya eh.
Walang datang mo yun panahon, balikan di kapatad, dyan pigilan me.
Kasi
Right?
po, tsaka keng case ko, hanggang pong pila na akong oras mag-spend kitang metong project, uning mag-enjoy ko, eke panandaman. Uning masaya ako nga kahit ang fulfillment eh.
Yes.
Ito yung importante.
Okay. If our televiewers would like to get in touch with Chok Soto or Dig the Mind for some projects na buridang paggawa, miniature yan, trophies, you also
Trophies,
do trophies,
yes. Custom trophies.
Plaques, okay, or other commissioned work na agyu ng gawa ng meto nga Chok Soto, makananda kang kontakan.
Pwede kong, you can visit our page in Facebook, just search for Chok Soto, or you can email us at consoto@yahoo.com. And my number is posted there in FB, or I can tell it now, 0927-371-0533.
Okay, kapatad. Ne? Miragdagano na naman deng listahan tamo ring maten nakang artists kay ni keng lalawigang Kapampangan.
Pagkat ikatang asa sulod-sura na adi-discovery ngayon, kapatad, alang dahilan para itala i-feature Kenny.
Kakabang listahan.
Ayan,
Pero
so,
masaya.
Dakala salamat, Mr. Chok Soto.
Salamat din po.
Kapatad?
Okay po, Maglipad Channel, magbalik ka pa rin po
Personalan.